Welcome. If you're new, welcome. If you came back, welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is Francine, and on this channel we talk about personal finances, whether that is creating a budget, getting out of debt, or saving for a better future. So we are back to our resets. I hope these past week or two I lost track of time. What can I say? I hope this week or two has helped you and you have been fiddling with your envelopes that are within your wallets, and hopefully you found the right fix. Now let's get into reset number 2. Go into your sinking fund. Go into your sinking fund. I'm going to say it again for the people in the back. Go into your sinking fund, because sometimes we have things in our sinking fund that we really do not need a category for, that can go in our general savings. If you don't know, I have general savings, an emergency fund, another general savings, and sinking funds, right? General savings is just typically everything else, right? It's not a specific amount that I'm saving for. It's not a specific thing that I'm saving for. Whereas sinking funds have a name to it, right? Your house down payment, either, car maintenance, right? Those things have a name. So in your mind, you're saying this money is for this thing and only this thing, right? And sometimes when we do that, it kind of messes us up in a sense. Granted, it works for a lot of people, not everyone, right? To categorize everything that you're saving for. But then there are things that you may not have thought about that can be under your general savings. Or you may be not saving correctly for the category that you have. Let's say car maintenance. Maybe you're not even putting money away for car savings, or you don't even use car savings that much. You have money sitting there that you're not using. And in that case, why is car savings not with your general savings account? You get what I'm saying? So go through your sinking funds and really look, take out what you don't use, take out what you really don't even need in your specific savings, and move that over to general savings. And that is what my step 2 is. I will see you in step 3.